The Planning Center integration allows you to export Planning Center people data to Ministry Defender Solutions. In this video, we'll cover connecting Planning Center to Ministry Defender Solutions and how to order a safety package. When you first log in, you will go to the Integrations section where you will see the Planning Center integration along with other available integrations. There are 3 spots showing that Planning Center is not currently connected to Ministry Defender Solutions. There are 2 spots where you'll be able to click to connect your Planning Center account to Ministry Defender Solutions. You will need to click Connect, and when displayed, click Proceed. After clicking Proceed, you will be redirected to the Planning Center login screen. You will need to log in to Planning Center with a user that is an administrator who has background check permissions. After you log in, the connection will be made with Ministry Defender Solutions, and you'll be redirected back to Ministry Defender Solutions. It will now show in 3 places that you've successfully connected Planning Center to Ministry Defender Solutions. If you ever need to disconnect your account, you can click the Disconnect button in the upper right corner, then confirm the disconnect by clicking Disconnect again in the center of the screen. To order a background check, you'll need to open the administration page. This can be done by clicking Administration in the left-hand menu, or by clicking on the Go to Administration button located in the middle bottom of the screen. Please note that the Applications option on the left side menu is not for requesting background checks. This Applications section lists any background check applications requested for the user logged into Ministry Defender Solutions. On the administration screen, you will see boxes at the top showing filtered information for total applications and breakdowns of multiple statuses. Under these boxes, you will see 2 more sections: Safety Packages and All Applications. Safety Packages displays all the available packages for order with your client. Clicking on a package name will filter the All Applications section by just that package type. Depending on your permissions level, you may be able to edit certain settings for a package. The email reminder settings allows you to select the number of reminder emails and how many days apart the reminders are sent. For example, you could set 2 reminders 15 days apart. In this instance, the individual would receive an initial invite email, then 15 days later, another reminder with a final reminder, 15 days after that. Another setting option is Application Link Expiration. This setting causes the link in the invitation email to expire if not opened in the set number of days. Note, there is no way to reactivate the link once it expires, so a new invite would need to be sent. Also, in this section, you can set a From Email name and Reply to Email address on the email sent from Ministry Defender Solutions. All emails are sent from a no reply at ministrydefendersolutions.com email address. By entering a From Email name, your organization's name will be displayed in front of the email address. By entering a reply to email address, any replies that the recipient sends will go to that email instead of going to our unmonitored, no reply mailbox. Lastly, there are sections where you can customize the invitation email sent to the recipient and the welcome message first displayed when the recipient opens the application link. The All Applications section is a list of all requests that have been sent. From this list, you can see the applicant's name, the status of the safety package, started date when the request was made, the date the applicant submitted their application, the safety package type requested, and how many services are included in the safety package. To view more application details, you can double-click on the record in the list. In the application details, you have more applicant information such as name, email address, phone number, and current package status. The application timeline shows when the request was started, when the applicant submitted the application, when the package completed, and when reminder emails were last sent. Listed under service enrollments are all the services related to the safety package. Each service will have timing and status information, and any links to returned information related to the service. For example, a background check service, when completed, will display the link to view the background check report. Also, in application details is where you can resend an invitation email to the recipient using the Resend Invite button. You can also cancel an application. If you cancel an application before the recipient can fill out the background check application, then the invite link will be disabled and they will be displayed a message that the request has been canceled and they should reach out to the client for assistance. If the recipient has already completed the background check application, then the background check will continue as that process cannot be canceled. In this case, you would need to reach out to Ministry Defender Solutions support for assistance. However, if there are other services in the safety package, they would be canceled. When you are ready to send an invite request, start by clicking on the Order Safety Package Application button. On the displayed form, you will select the package type you are requesting from the drop-down. Check the box next to each person you want to send the invite email to. You can select multiple people to apply this package type too. To send the request, click the Send Application Request button on the right side. The list of people displayed is pulled from Planning Center. If a person in Planning Center has multiple email addresses, they will be displayed. However, Ministry Defender Solutions will only send to the listed primary email address, which is notated with a green star to the right of the email address. If you need to send the invite to a different email address, you will need to update the record in Planning Center, then return to Ministry Defender Solutions and refresh the screen. Make sure to confirm the desired email address has the described green star before sending the invitation request. You will also notice on each person record, there is an external ID number. This number is the person's ID number in Planning Center. When you close the pop-up, you will see the request in the All Applications list with a status of Invitation Sent. Go back to Planning Center, go to the People section, and select the Background Checks tab. The initial status will be Awaiting Applicant, meaning Ministry Defender Solutions is waiting for the applicant to fill out their application. Once the applicant submits their application, the status will change to Report Processing. After the report is completed, the status will change to Complete Clear. Or, if there are records to review, the status will show Needs Review. To see the background check, go to the person's profile and click the green shield icon in the top right, then select Complete Clear. This opens the Details panel. From here, expand the Notes section. This is where you will find the link to view the background check report. If the report comes back showing it needs review, go to the person's profile. Click the yellow shield icon in the top right corner, then select Needs Review. This opens the Details panel. From here, expand the Notes section. This is where you will find the link to view the background check report. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review a few important things to keep in mind. Remember the difference between administration and applications in the left-hand menu. Administration is where you go to order background checks and safety packages. Applications only shows requests tied to your own login. It's not where you request new checks. This trips people up often, so keep that distinction in mind. If someone has more than one email address on file in Planning Center, take a second look before sending the invite. Ministry Defender Solutions will only send to the address marked with the green star. That's the primary email. So if you want the invite to go to a different address, you'll need to update it in Planning Center first, then come back and refresh the screen before sending. 2 more settings are worth a look before you start sending invitations. Take a moment to set up your reminder emails, how many you want sent and how many days apart. And check your application link expiration setting, which controls how long a recipient has to open their invite before it stops working. Just remember, once a link expires, there's no way to reactivate it. You'd need to send a brand new invite instead. If you ever need to cancel an application, timing matters. Cancel before the applicant submits, and the link is disabled cleanly. But once they've submitted, the background check itself can't be canceled. Only other services in the package that have not started will be canceled. If you need to stop a background check after submission, you'll need to contact Ministry Defender Solutions support directly. And finally, to check on a background check status, you can look in either place. The application details in Ministry Defender Solutions, or the background checks tab on the person's profile in Planning Center. Just remember, the actual report link lives inside the Notes section, under the shield icon at the top of the panel. That covers the core workflow: connecting Planning Center, ordering safety packages, and tracking your background checks from start to finish.